If there's anyone who knows how the pressure of a demanding career can drain you of your mental and emotional energy, it will be the men and women of our U.S. Armed Forces. Here's retired Senior Chief Harry White with his energy healing testimony.
Hello everyone, my name is Harry White. I'm a 55-year-old. Jay, I went in and saw Jay for biotuning and also working with my chakras. He got me all aligned. Felt great afterwards. Immediately after I finished with the treatment, I sit there and talk with Jay a little bit afterwards, and I could feel the tingling going through my body. But one thing I want to let everyone know, it puts you at ease, it puts you at calm. That was one of the best sleeps I ever had that night. So the thing is, for those next few days, I felt great, my body felt great. I went back to him a couple of more sessions, and he has got a client for life. Everything works, my body feels great. Now, with everything issues that I have with my back, with my knees and my ankles, everything is all tuned. And I just want to share that with everyone, and you all have a very good day. Take care.
If you want to feel calm, be at ease, have a good night's rest like Harry did, go to my website now, jhollingshed.com. When you do that, schedule your free consultation if you're not sure of exactly what service you want to get or if you have any questions. jhollingshed.com. I look forward to talking with you soon. Be well, stay blessed, and through love be a blessing. God bless.